Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect HyperX Cloud headset to Xbox, quick fix step by step clearly. Begin by checking if your HyperX Cloud headset is compatible with the Xbox console. Make sure your Xbox is powered on and your controller is connected. Locate the 3.5mm audio jack on your Xbox controller. Plug the HyperX Cloud headset connector into the audio jack of the controller firmly. If your headset has a detachable microphone, ensure it is securely attached. Adjust the volume controls on your headset to a comfortable level. On the Xbox controller, press the Xbox button to open the guide. Navigate to the System tab using the joystick or D-pad. Select audio from the options available. In the audio settings, ensure the headset is selected as the audio output device. Test the headset by checking the audio output from the game or a chat application. If you are experiencing issues with the microphone, make sure it is not muted on the headset. Adjust the microphone settings in the audio options if necessary. For a wired connection, ensure all connections are secure and free from obstruction. If you're using an adapter, confirm it is compatible with your setup. If you're still having trouble, try resetting your controller or reconnecting the headset. Once you've completed these steps, your HyperX Cloud headset should be successfully connected to your Xbox. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.